602, Easyhot. This is a new file format that's designed to be created in MS Paint. Source code for this video is here. We're on video 602. We're going to review the 602 deltas. In the system index, we've stubbed in RGBA196 as chronologically the 39th system, dependency order 2. FILE196 is the 40th system chronologically, dependency order it is 9. There is no top-level constants for RGBA196, no top-level constants for FILE196. The top-level data for RGBA196 is a pixel array of 196 by 196 pixels, and some math to check everything, make sure that all the numbers make sense. FILE196 has no top-level data. And here is the RGBA196 function section beneath genBlit, and there's nothing here yet, because this is probably going to be a data-only subsystem with no functions. The functions that go and operate on RGBA196 are within FILE196. The FILE196 system starts here, and it's beneath hard text here. So these are the FILE196 systems. We are not going to have a save operation, so this is a monkey wrench macro. We're only going to have a load operation. So in the FILE196 functions, we're going to convert RGBA196 to Pix2048. So we're going to take the file memory and load it into the game memory at a certain level pack coordinate, and that is going to be a loading operation. We're going to use both of these as inputs, even though we're going to assert that they have to be these file scope pieces of data. I know that's kind of weird, it's just the way I write code. And we're going to load it into a certain location within our renderable space, right? This is the level pack address within our 3x3 grid of level packs. We'll finish this in a different video. We're just stubbing stuff in this video. So here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation of this new format, you can go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You are on the advanced playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Different ways to get a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game using vertical, horizontal, and four-way proximity mines.